Hey guys, my name is Yasmin and today we are starting the virtual frog dissection. So this is the ventral side of the frog, and basically what we're going to do is do 3 incisions to cut it open. So this is how it looks like from the inside, and we're going to start off with the liver. Basically the liver helps the frog produce the produce chemicals that detoxify the blood, and this is like it basically is like bile and some other chemicals, and it also helps it break down fat from the body. Next we have the heart. The heart has 3 chambers, and with these 3 chambers, 2 of them are atria and 1 single ventricle. One of the atria receives the oxygenated blood from the blood vessels that drain the various organs of the body. Both of these atria are emptied into the ventricle. Next we have the gallbladder. The gallbladder stores the bile that the liver produces. Then it is used in the small intestine. The bile, like I said before, it helps digest fat and helps it break it down. Next we have the stomach. The stomach, it stores food and mixes it with enzymes to begin the digestion. The stomach breaks down food into a mixture called chyme or chyme, something like that. But it stores all the food that the frog eats, like the insects, mosquitoes, and all that. So that way, when it's ready to go to the bathroom, it is already broken down. Next, we have the small intestine. The small intestine is the principal organ that digests that digests food, and the small intestine is where all the nutrients of the food is absorbed into the frog's blood. Next, we have fat bodies. Fat bodies is basically apart from the organs that stores all the frog's fat, which is like pieces of the food and stuff. Next, we have the spleen. The spleen is a circulating system that makes, stores, and destroys blood cells. So basically, all the old blood cells, it recycles them and makes new ones. Next, we have the large intestine. The large intestine stores undigested food and and absorbs nutrients and reabsorption of water. It takes place in the large intestine. Next, we have the lungs. The lungs help the frog breathe, and it takes in oxygen and lets out carbon dioxide. Next, we have the kidneys. The kidneys filter the blood and excretes extra water, and this is transported to the urinary bladder, which is where the frog uses to go to the bathroom. And this concludes our virtual frog dissections, and thanks for watching.